butterflies, it's Melissa of a Butterfly Planner. I am coming at you today with a monthly plan with me for March. This is the March kit for the Happy Planner. There's also a standard sized one so that you, if you have an Erin Condren or one sized like an Erin Condren, I got you covered. This is called Gwen, Dahlias for Gwen, because my BFF, one of my BFFs, her birthday is in March, and so I let her pick out what, like I asked her what her favorite flower was, and she said dahlias, so I had to find dahlias. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just going to put down my headers here. I just love the colors of this. When she picked dahlias, I could have gone like so many different like colors or whatever, but I saw this and was like, she will love it. She loves pink, and then I just had to. I like screams Gwen to me. I love it. So I am going to use the date dots this week, or this time again. I just think it gives it a little something, something. So there is that. I should have grabbed my tweezers so it would go a little faster, but oh well. So I do have a semi-busy month. Like I said, my best friend's birthday, Gwen, is on the 20th. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to use. I guess I'll use this one. I don't like when they're like, I'm gonna do it anyways. So Gwen's birthday is that day. I have spring break this week, so I'm going to use, I think, this one. I'm gonna have to cut it. It's just Monday through. Cut it here. And it's not gonna be right. I should have done it the other way. Okay, probably won't need that for anything else, so I'm gonna use the other one. I messed up. I knew this beforehand. Gotta do the long one first and then the short one, because yeah. And then you can use the other to cover up or make up for. Here, I'll show you. You'll see what I mean. Okay, so we have that one, and then we'll do this way about a little bit above. And then you grab one of these and you just overlay it, and then it's like, oh, okay. Except for you don't overlay it like that. There we go. And it's still way crooked. Oh, Melissa. There we go. So I have spring break on the 19th. I am going to a motorcycle race. We are going to Dallas, and I think I'm going to use this guy for that. tripped. So that will be fun. Like Gwen's birthday. I actually have a whole bunch of friends' birthdays in here. It's kind of crazy how many friends I have in this like 5-day period that all have their birthdays. But yeah, I'm really bad friend and can't remember them, and I can't find my little book that has it in there. So I'm gonna put these down, and then I think I'm gonna put the other little stickers throughout. So I think I'm gonna put one here and here. So we'll do this one here. That's crooked. Just kind of to counter it, we'll put this one here. I want to put it in the corner. So crooked also. And then let's do, I feel like it's very heavy on this side, so maybe this the 5th on Saturday we'll put one. It kind of brings down, I think that looks cute because it kind of brings that one down like that. And then we need one, I still feel like it's super heavy over here, so maybe the 9th or the 23rd. Let's do the 23rd. Oh, I know something else I need to put on here is the 2nd. My nephews have a livestock show, so I'm just gonna use a heart for that. It's like an auction. The livestock show is actually the 1st, the livestock show is Wednesday. The auction's that day, so I'm gonna put that there. Oh, and then payday is on the 1st, so I'm gonna use the little piggy. So there we go, and there you go. Before the pen, March. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.